Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here we have 2013 Toyota Highlander. It's a limited 4-wheel drive version, right? Super beautiful car. I'm performing bunch of inspections on it, right? This is absolutely wonderful model. And I don't know how long this owner was driving with the tire pressure light on, right? So when you hop in the car and in that area there, let me put it on actually. I'll just put it on in the first position without starting it, right? You see the tire pressure light. In this vehicle, when it was started, it was on all the time. It wasn't flashing, it was on. So obviously the first thing you do is check the tire pressures. What are the tire pressures? Well, that's very easy. The numbers are right here for you. So it says 30 psi, right? If you want to be like me, it's a bigger, heavier car with big tires, you can put a 32, right? Now this tire pressure system has the sensor with the batteries, right? Why? Because you can see the steel part, right? It's not all rubber. So this is a steel, these are the batteries. The batteries cannot be old yet, right? Because it's only 5 years old. They normally die somewhere around 10 years. So what the heck? Nobody got no service around here. They just got a new brakes, right? Nobody can figure out why the tire pressure is on when all these 4 tires were perfectly inflated. Actually, they had 31 psi. Well, here it comes, my friend. Right now I'm going to save you maybe a lot of frustration and maybe some money too. There is one more tire on this car and it's called spare tire. Believe it or not, it has that pressure sensor in it too, right? Some Toyotas have only 4, but this one has all 5. Where is the spare tire located on this vehicle? Where it's located underneath here, right? So now you are like, oh God, I will have to actually go, where is this switch? Right here. And empty all of it, right? To get rid of this stuff, and I will have to use the tools and lower it and blah blah blah. Well, Toyota thought of you and you don't have to do that. Let me grab the light here so I can show you. Oh, by the way, little detail. Do you see this? I had an hour ago certified electricians here, and this lift is officially completely hooked and working. I just had no time to put the arms on, right? Because I had to deal with this vehicle, I promised that. So basically you will keep seeing from now on, you will see on this channel videos, we will be using this lift. So, and what I was trying to say, right, the spare tire is here and there's no space for the camera, but trust me, the valve, it's easy to get to, right, it's easy. I'm sorry, there's no space for the camera, but you can get to. It's actually on this side towards to me, and it was easy to check that it had only 22 psi. The moment I put it up to like 34, right, just to give extra pressure, I jumped in the car. You don't have any tire pressure sensor receipt button here. This 2013 Highlander does it automatically, so you just put a key in ignition, start the vehicle, and within like 20 seconds the tire pressure light was gone. And I'm happy to share all this knowledge, right, which I have from working for Toyota in past with you here on this channel. You please make sure that you are subscribed because you don't want to miss any of those videos, right? Thank you for watching today, my friend, and have a wonderful day.